Hey everybody, we are doing a barbecue crawl today. We are here at 4RIVERS Barbecue in Winter Garden, Florida. This place is probably one of the most hyped places around where we live at. So we're gonna go inside, we're gonna have their barbecue. The last time I come here wasn't all that great, but we're gonna give them a second try again and see how everything comes out. So let's get inside and let's get ourselves a meat order. Alright, I don't know if you guys can hear me. This is what I got. I got some brisket. Anytime you go to a barbecue place, you always gotta get brisket. Got some pulled pork, and I paid extra to get these ribs. Check those ribs out. That's what I got for an extra set of ribs. That looks pretty anemic to me. These are not fresh. Collard greens, these are canned.
Here, look.
And then these are pre-prepared macaroni and cheese. Then there's my wife's
those aren't even burnt ends. That's like...
Yeah, it's like mush.
That's mush.
Yeah, there's some other burnt ends right there. So that's it right there. Then my son, he got, what'd you get?
I got some bread, I got some pulled pork sandwich, and then I got some baked beans, some fries.
All right, so I'm gonna try this without barbecue sauce first. I do have some barbecue sauce right here that I'll try later on. Let's try this pulled pork. Let's see how this is. All right, first thing I noticed with this pulled pork is it's mushy. It's been overcooked, so it's been in the cooker cooking for too long. I really don't get a hint of smoke. Let's try this rib. Now this rib that's the rib this is an extra I paid for. That is, yeah, it's dry. Look at that. It's breaking apart. I'm not making this up. Look at that. That's extremely hard. It's dry. It's not good.
It's a burn end.
All right. So this is a burn end. The burn ends are actually hard to swallow. It's not tender. It's like most burn ends you make should be tender. It's not tender. Here is brisket. That's the point of the brisket. Now that looks promising. That really does look promising. Now this is pretty good. The brisket actually isn't too bad. I'm gonna try the barbecue sauce on some of this. I'm probably gonna bring the ribs back. That's pathetic. You see the ribs? I'm gonna try the pulled pork with the barbecue sauce. The barbecue sauce is good. It's sweet. It's got a nice flavor to it. Let's try this. Let's try the brisket point with barbecue sauce. So far, that's the best thing I've had on my plate so far. The meat is the meat's cold, but the way you expect it to come to a barbecue restaurant, hot food. Nah, I guess not. The mac and cheese is so-so. I mean, it's all right. Now the collard greens. Now you can't mess up on collard greens unless you can them. In which instance, these are canned. That's all right. Okay, so this is the ribs they originally gave me. I mentioned something to the manager, and well, now he brought out these. Okay, these are hot. These are a lot better. These are a definite improvement. They're kind of thin, but a whole lot better than what it was. So they are trying to improve here. So not bad. Okay, so here's one of the ribs. Okay. There's the whole bone exposed. All right. So let's give this thing a try. It's tender. Maybe a little bit overcooked. The spices are good on it. My wife thinks that it's over seasoned. However, I think it's seasoned pretty well. And they're hot, which is the most important thing. When you have barbecue, you want your meat to be hot. So. everybody. Well, if you're watching this video, you're in luck. This is the video that's going to qualify for the giveaway. All right. So the giveaway, I'm giving away 5 of my carbon steel chef knives. Plus, you're gonna get the scabbard with it. Okay, really cool scabbard. Leather. Smells awesome. Not only getting this, I'm also giving away 3 of these barbecue toolkits right here. Give me 3 of these. Okay, right there. 3 of these. All right, so here's all you gotta do to qualify. First off, you want to be a subscriber of mine. Makes sense, right? Second off, put in down below in a comment down below and put hashtag knife. All right, that's all you gotta do. Then right next to that, right next to hashtag knife, just put where you're from, either USA, Europe, or Canada, because this is where this giveaway is going to apply for. Now listen to this, okay? These are going to be going to the United States and Europe only. My knives is for United States and Canada only. So I kind of need to know. So I'm doing the drawing. If you're from Europe, well, then you get one of these. If you're from the United States and Canada, you can get both. All right, but I'm only doing one giveaway. So actually, I'm giving away 8 things. 8 things you can win. So do me a favor. Do yourself a favor. All right. It's this. Do not share this video for at least a week. I'm trying to close this out to as many people as I can. I only want the most loyal subscribers that I have, because y'all been loyal to me. I'm gonna be loyal to you. Now here's the other thing. I'm not gonna respond to your comments down below. I'm just gonna give a thumbs up and the heart thing, okay? And then from 1 week from today, and this video is gonna come out on a Sunday, so next Sunday, I'm going to be doing the drawing for this giveaway. So 5 knives, 3 grill heat aid barbecue tool thingies. Thank you everybody for sticking by me, and thanks for getting me to 2,000. Actually, I'm over 2,000 now. Anyhow, like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, so they took me for a tour back here in the back of 4RIVERS, and they're going to be getting me a TriTip. I've been trying to find a TriTip for a very long time now, and I've already called many different places, and they're gonna be getting me a TriTip, which is phenomenal. It's awesome. Okay, so we're leaving 4RIVERS Barbecue. It started off kind of rough, but they really did go above and beyond trying to rectify the problems, the minimal problems that we did have. Whenever a place will give you a tri-tip at no cost for nothing, and they also gave me to try out some of their coffee rub. On the scale of 4 to 13, 4 being I'd rather eat my own poo, and 13 being that this is life-changing, I would give the customer service here at 4RIVERS, I'd give them a perfect 13. They did go above and beyond on everything else. The food, they opened at 11 o'clock. We got here about 11:45. The food was okay. The pulled pork it did taste a little overdone. The brisket was actually, my brisket was really good. The ribs were good the second time they brought them out to me. The first ones, they were pretty pathetic looking, as you guys seen that. The sides were average, but overall, they do have other meats here that I did not try. My wife went ahead and got the pulled chicken. That was okay. It had a lot of sauce on it. Their barbecue sauces actually were really good. We had the regular barbecue sauce, and did you have the hot one? Did you like the hot one?
It was good.
Yeah, that one was pretty good. Overall, we'll come back and try them again at a later point in time. But they had just opened, and I would expected the food to be a little more hotter than what it was. Our food relatively was not all that hot. This has just been my honest review of 4RIVERS Barbecue in Winter Garden, Florida. I'm sorry if anybody was offended by this or anything. Hey, I just give 100% honest opinion of stuff. I do appreciate the customer service and going above and beyond, helping me with and trying to resolve our problems, and they did. The back was very impressive. They showed me their smokers, the racks. I showed you all that. You know, I got a TriTip out of the deal, and a rub. They didn't have to do that. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Anyhow, like, subscribe. I'll see y'all next week. Ciao.